You're starving in a foreign city. Then you see it, that red sign. Finally, something familiar. Fried chicken. Comfort food, halfway across the world. But you open the menu and nothing looks right. Rice, egg tarts, porridge. Where's the chicken bucket you wanted? Same logo, same colors, completely different food. Why? Stick around. By the end, you'll crack the code, and you'll learn a trick that built a global empire, a trick you can steal for your own life. Let's go. First, what stays the same everywhere on Earth? The original recipe. 11 herbs and spices locked in a vault. Crispy fried chicken. The shareable bucket. Popcorn chicken. Hot wings. And the Zinger, a spicy chicken burger fans chase worldwide. That's the anchor. Familiar enough to trust anywhere you land. But here's where it gets strange, country by country. Start where it began, the American South. Fluffy biscuits, mashed potatoes drowned in gravy, mac and cheese, and the famous bowl, chicken, corn, cheese, gravy, all stacked. Pure Southern comfort. Now pack your bags, we're flying east. Japan, where one ad idea rewired a whole nation. Every December, families line up for KFC on Christmas. Not turkey, not ham, fried chicken. Booked weeks ahead. A 1970s campaign convinced a country it was tradition. Now, it's one of their biggest sales days all year. Quick, guess which country eats the most KFC? If you guessed China, you nailed it. Its biggest market. More restaurants here than anywhere else on the planet. Breakfast means congee, warm rice porridge, and soy milk. Their secret weapon? Portuguese egg tarts. People line up. Rice bowls replace fries. Flavors tuned to local taste. From porridge to something far more personal. Next, India. India reshaped the menu more than almost anywhere. No beef, no pork, respecting deeply held beliefs. Instead, a huge vegetarian range. Veg zingers, crispy paneer, spices turned up, curries and rice bowls built for the region. Remember that alien menu we started with? You're decoding it now. Southeast Asia. Here, one swap changes everything. Forget fries. Rice is the default side. In Indonesia, chicken, rice, fiery sambal, and porridge. The Philippines, people worship the gravy. Seriously, small change, massive loyalty. Now somewhere hotter, the Middle East and the Gulf states. Every menu here is fully halal certified. Rice platters and family buckets rule the table. The United Kingdom, you might know this one. Here, gravy isn't a side, it's a religion. Mini filet burgers, boneless banquets, late night cravings sorted. Comfort food after a cold, rainy night out. South Africa, one of KFC's busiest markets anywhere. Local sides, sometimes maize-based, beside the classics. Across Latin America, rice and beans join the meal. Every place, the same logo, wearing a local costume. So here's the code you came to crack. It's called glocalization. Global brand, local soul. Keep what people trust. Change what people love. That's why a Kentucky recipe feels at home everywhere. It works for you too. Meet people where they are. Comfort food far from home just hits different. Quick question, which country's KFC would you try first? Drop it in the comments. Then hit like and subscribe. Share it with a friend who travels hungry. See you next time.